The wish list is where checks are carried out against items that may be of interest to you. There you can check things such as stock and more. The wish list displays all the products from search results that you think are worth investigating further. Now on this page, as with the results page, you're able to adjust the filter settings to suit your needs, how many and the order in which products are displayed. You can also manually delete results by either selecting all results and using the trash can icon, or by using the trash can icon on each product. Oh, the wishlist icon at the top right of the page here gives you the option to download your wishlist as a CSV. All products in the wishlist are automatically checked for stock status when they're added. So here is where you'll see if the product is in or out of stock with the retailer. Detailed information is displayed by each product, starting with the recent history graph, then giving a breakdown of key data such as the potential profit, the sales per month, the ROI, and even the sales rank. For further detailed information, just click through here. And on the second page of the detailed information, you can now find out about the competition, the product details and the spec, and exactly how the Amazon fees are calculated.